26 children were buried alive, and the men who did it couldn't even make a phone call. On July 15, 1976, 3 men hijacked a school bus in Chowchilla, California. 26 kids, ages 5 to 14, along with their bus driver Ed Ray. The kidnappers had spent months preparing. They built an underground prison inside a buried moving truck in a quarry near Livermore. They had food, water, and ventilation. They thought of everything. They loaded the children into vans, drove hours through the night, and sealed them underground. Then came the part they never rehearsed, making the ransom call. Every line to the Chowchilla police was jammed with incoming calls. They couldn't get through. $5 million was waiting, and they had no way to ask for it. Underground, Ed Ray and the older children started digging. 16 hours after being buried, they broke through. All 26 kids walked out alive. The kidnappers were caught within days. Their elaborate plan had one flaw. They forgot to test a phone.